I want to show you everyone on what are we doing on each of these units. And if you guys see here, this is one of the efficiency units. We have like almost 130 of these. There's another 30 more, which is a 2-bedroom. But look at the units and how pretty is it, right? It's all wood. This is efficiency, and we're going to be going into each of these units here. And you see behind me, we just built a closet. So hotels doesn't come with a closet. To make an apartment living space, we have to add a closet here. So that's what we're doing. We're doing an open closet there, and this is the bathroom and the toilets, right? So if you see the door is a bit small, and to save space, rather than putting a swinging door, we're going to put a barn door here so that we can save space. So these are some of the things that we're doing, which is very creative in terms of converting apartments from hotel to apartments, and it's a very interesting project.